guys, update about weather. Looks bad outside. Pretty much. Looks like it might rain. Tornadoes possible. Lightning could occur if the clouds get a little bit more darkened. Thunder is possibly gonna happen. And if it wants to rain, the clouds need to get darker, more clouds over here. So yeah, if you're wondering about the weather, floods are not that possible. That they're possible in the north, maybe, I think. But yeah, bad tornado, maybe, we don't know for sure. So yeah, see y'all.